Welcome back to ITV Video Games, where we're bringing you the best for your box. I'm your host, Darren, and right now we're still here at the PAX 2008 convention in downtown Seattle. I'm standing in the DigiPen booth with the only Raymond Yan, the Senior Vice President with DigiPen, one of the premier video game animation schools in the world. Raymond, how's it going today?
Great, it's going well.
Awesome. So PAX, wow, my first year.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've actually trained some of the people that go out into these companies that make these video games.
Yep.
What's it like for you? How's it been?
It's been great. I mean, I think having PAX here in Seattle, this industry is so exciting, and I think a lot of people don't realize that Seattle is such a hub of game development. I mean, obviously, Microsoft, Nintendo, Valve, Bungie. For our students, it's a great place to be because obviously this is where all the action's happening.
Now, I mean, I know you because I work with you on the outside through filming for you and doing stuff like that, but I've seen some phenomenal work come out. There's a new program you just launched recently.
Yep.
And a whole new building you bought for that. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, we have the Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in production animation, so we have a whole building right there. We have about 230 students, crazy artists that are trying to learn the craft. We're also starting game design degree track this year, so students will be able to come to us, those interested in taking more of a science approach to it or an art approach to it. Okay. And then, of course, with everything else that's going on, right now in the industry, the skills that are required are really, creating a real demand for people to come out of programs like ours. So definitely a lot of really cool things happening.
I've heard that the kids actually have their hands not literally fall off, but you guys work them. I mean, this isn't just, hey, we're coming here to play video games. This is, we are serious about this. You are earning a computer engineering degree, a science degree at your institution. And you just opened up a new location. You're not just stateside now.
No.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, gosh, many years ago we were approached by the Singapore government to open a campus there. And it took us a number of years, but starting next week actually, we have a class of about 60 students with us, and we will be starting our degree program, our education there in Singapore.
Nice.
And we're very familiar with the game industry here in terms of development, but Singapore is still relatively new, and I know that Singapore is really on a mission to become kind of an education center for Asia. So there are lots of companies there. Lucasfilm is over there. If you saw the new Clone Wars movie, a lot of the development for that was actually done in Singapore. So a number of gaming studios over there, and they're all looking, very, very forward to having more people who can do this work. Because that's a huge market over there.
So Redmond yesterday, Singapore today.
Yep.
Where's the world going for DigiPen tomorrow?
I think we're going to be. I mean, we're already in discussions to potentially start teaching in Europe. We're in discussions to establish a program back in Canada again. So yeah, the demand is definitely there, right? Lots of jobs, lots of projects. Now we just have to find people who can do it, and hopefully DigiPen can help to provide some manpower there.
And on top of all the things that you're doing with the school, there's also a festival that you're working on that's coming up later this year.
Yep.
That's pretty big. I mean, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. There's the dean of our fine arts and animation program, Tony White. He comes from over 20 years of animation production, and he is running what's called the Animaticus Foundation. They're really into promoting animation, and for the last couple of years, he's been running a festival where, and he's been attracting some great guest speakers. The first year he had Roy Disney, he's had people from Pixar, he's had people from all the different production studios. This year is no different, except that this year we're going to be having it at the Pacific Science Center, and it's going to be happening at the beginning of November. Again, we've got some great guest speakers coming in. We're expecting it to be a really cool event. So DigiPen is really supporting this, obviously raising the awareness to the general public about what's involved, and hopefully trying to attract some students, new students to this field. So it'd be pretty
awesome.
Cool.
That sounds like an awesome event. I've been out to the campus many times. The rows of computers, the kids running around. There is such an energy at that campus. I mean, it's unlike no other.
That's crazy.
So yeah, Raymond, thank you. I know you're a busy guy.
Yeah,
I'll let you get back to everything. Thank you for coming on ITV. Absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, and if people want to find out more information about DigiPen, where can they go?
Oh, www.digipen.edu.
Awesome.
Yep,
you heard it from the Senior Vice President from DigiPen, Raymond Yan. I'm Darren Bruce for ITV. Don't forget you can go to our website, itvnw.com, where you can register to become an ITV VIP member, enter to win free prizes and win guest appearances on the show. This is Darren and Raymond Yan from DigiPen, coming to you from PAX 2008. We'll be right back.
I'm attorney Alexander Ransom. Have you been charged with a DUI or faced any other criminal charges? If you're in trouble with the law, you need a trial attorney who's aggressive, experienced, and effective. Call today for a free consultation, the law offices of Alexander Ransom. I look forward to serving you and getting your criminal charges reduced or dismissed. Call today. The law offices of Alexander Ransom. Call today.